This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Is touching. Writing out the math each time you want to check two sprites are touching can take a while. So a programmer created the is touching block, which can check whether one sprite is touching another, the target. The computer is still doing the same math as we just saw, right, in this previous chunk, but you don't have to worry about it because another programmer already did that work. Yeah, it's a method. It's built in. We can just use it. Inside the draw loop, drag the is touching block into the if block. Show me where. Yep, right here. So we can use this as a condition. So we can use it because it will output a Boolean. It's going to say true or false. We're asking the computer a question. All right, so let me drag this. I don't have anything named sprite, right? We have variables up here. I don't see a sprite variable. So, hint, don't forget to change sprite to bunny and target to dinner. We're recreating what we just saw. So the first thing is bunny, and then the target, what we're wondering if they're touching, is dinner. And so this runs 30 times a second, right? Draw loop, checking this. It's checking that 30 times a second. Each time we're saying, hey computer, if bunny is touching dinner, and then it runs the code inside. If the bunny's not touching the dinner, this is false, skips over it, and keeps going. But cool. This is going to make game creation so much easier. Onward.